Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin directly from me. Obviously I have my own business, so you want to go directly to my profile through Paxful, because this is pretty much the best site you can buy Bitcoins, no hassle. And if you scroll down to my profile, you can see where bank transfer is. Yeah, bank transfer, TD Bank, US Bank, Revolut, which is new. You're just going to click on the buy button, and you can put in as much as you can or as much as the limit is to purchase your Bitcoin. They will tell you exactly how much Bitcoin you'll get. And when you do that, all you want to do is go to, let's say I want to use Revolut. You click on this, log in, and if you want to send money to me, you would go to bank transfer, where it says bank transfer, and you would, what do you want to add? We're going to add a bank account. I'm going to do it to another person, continue. You don't have to put to business, even though I'm selling Bitcoin, just put to another person. Click continue. All you need is my first and middle name up here, last name, account and routing number that's associated with my Revolut, phone number and email I will provide you. Then you click the continue button and you would put in your payment method, whether it's your bank account or whatever other method they let you do. And you'll simply just transfer it to me, so that way it can reach me. Once it reaches me, your Bitcoins will be released here, and you can go check your wallet to see if the Bitcoins, where the Bitcoins should be available as soon as it's released. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button. And that's it for today.